Hi guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. What's up? Welcome back to our class channel, It's AHA Class. The Honorable, our English lecturer, Sir Weli Ardiansyah. In this video, I would like to present my presentation about fact versus opinion. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Utari Nuraini, and I am the third semester student of Accounting Department from 3AH class in Polytechnic of Sriwijaya. I hope you guys enjoy watching my video, so let's get started. Differences between fact and opinion. Pause is a useful handout or lesson skeleton to differentiate between fact and opinion. To start a discussion about text and or assignment, and to explain to your students why simply asserting something doesn't make it so. Basic. Facts and opinions have a huge difference in their meanings. Whether a statement is a fact or an opinion depends on the validity of the statement. A fact refers to something true or real, which is backed by evidence, documentation, etc. An opinion is what a person believes or thinks about something. In final terms, a fact is a proven truth, whereas opinion is a personal view that represents the outlook of an individual, which may or may not be based on the fact. Content, fact versus opinion. Comparison chart. The meaning of fact. Fact refers to something that can be verified or proved to be true. The meaning of opinion. Opinion refers to a judgment or belief about something. Fact based on observation or research. Opinion based on assumption or personal view. Fact is objective reality. Opinion is subjective statement. Fact is possible. Opinion is not possible. Fact is something really happened. Opinion a perception about something. Fact is universal. Opinion is differs from person to person. Fact is shown with unbiased words. Opinion is expressed with biased words. Fact has the power to influence others, while opinion doesn't have the power to influence others. Definition of fact. A fact is something that has actually taken place or known to have existed, which can be validated with pieces of evidence. Facts are strictly defined and can be measured, observed, and proven. A fact refers to something that makes statements true and is used in connection with research and study. A fact can be event or information based on real occurrence, which can be tested through verifiability. They are supported by proofs, statistics, documentation, etc. Definition of opinion. Opinion is defined as the personal view or judgment about a subject that may or may not be sustained by the facts or positive knowledge. In other words, an opinion is an inconclusive statement used in subjective matters which cannot be proved true or false. It is what a person thinks or feels about something or someone. Opinion is highly influenced by a person's feeling, thoughts, perspective, desires, attitudes, experience, understanding, beliefs, values, etc., which cannot be tested by concrete evidence. Therefore, due to individual differences, every person's opinion on particular matter may also be different. Key differences between fact and opinion. The difference between fact and opinion on the following grounds. The fact is described as the statement that can be verified or proved to be true. Opinion is an expression of judgment or belief about something. Fact relies on observation or research, while opinion is based on assumptions. The fact is an objective reality, whereas opinion is a subjective statement. Facts can be verified with the help of evidence or statistics. On the contrary, opinion is not supported by any evidence. Facts explain what actually happened, unlike an opinion that represents a perception about something. One important feature of the fact is that it is universal and doesn't differ from person to person. As against this, every human being has a different opinion on a particular subject, and so it varies from one person to another. Facts are shown with unbiased words, however opinion is expressed with biased words. Facts can change anybody's opinion, but opinion is not possible. Facts are real information, and so it cannot be challenged or debated. But if we talk about opinions, they can debate it. I think that's all enough about my presentation. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy watching my video, and this video will be useful for all of us, and you will understand about my explanation. Goodbye and see you on the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.